Sometimes it's not an error, it's a bug. In this case, I made 50 dot objects, and down here in my dot class, I have display, I've got move, but my dot objects are not moving. They're clearly right at the edge of the screen, not coming on. So I'm wondering why. So the first thing I want to check that move, I can check the brackets to make sure move isn't accidentally somehow inside display or not a standalone method. But what often happens is after you go through the whole pain of making this beautiful class all set up correctly, you forget to call a method. So here, if you go up in draw, you see we've called the display method on the dots, but we haven't called the move method. So if I call move, play it again, then they will be moving. The other thing that can happen is sometimes we have made, again in the class perfectly, declaring and initializing some variables, but what sometimes I see is that people forget to use those variables. And so in this case, oops, I forgot, unexpected token 100, actually good teaching moment. Unexpected token 100. If I came here, it's this 100 that's an unexpected token because I had one 100, then I didn't have a comma, so it doesn't know what to do when it gets to this next 100 because it's expecting a comma to separate the parameters. So put that comma back in. So now when I play it, the other problem I've seen, this is again, I'm not getting an error, I'm just not seeing 50 dots moving, and in that case, it's because instead of using the variables to place those objects, I use numbers. So obviously all 50 dots are on top of each other at 100, 100. Not exactly what we want. There we go. So oftentimes you're doing some troubleshooting, not because you see an error, but because what you're seeing on your screen is not what you'd expected to see.